This over here is your spacious living and dining area. On this side, we have your kitchen space. This over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Agarwal Sky Heights by Agarwal Group located in Vasai East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual towers and the construction is in full swing. Also, 75% of the work is completed. And you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have 6 towers of ground plus 32 story, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities on podium and rooftop level that includes gym, clubhouse, senior citizen zone, stargazing deck, multi-purpose court, kids play area, jogging and walking track and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located opposite to Thakur Engineering College, Vasai East, from where Vasai Railway Station is at a distance of 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway is at a distance of 20 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital, all within the distance of 300 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And this 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 728 square feet. As you can see, this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can see this over here is your dining corner where you can easily place a 4 people's dining table and enjoy meal time with your friends and family. This over here is your living space where you can place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. Also, you can see how spacious your living and dining is as you have plenty of walkable space. And again, in the living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables and tea chairs and enjoy the views with your friends and family. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, common washroom and bedrooms. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space that you will be getting. As you can see in the videos, you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. Lower and upper cabinets are provided, chimney is also provided, and you can also see your space provided to place your refrigerator. And again, you will be getting full French windows with a dryer space where you can place your washing machine. Opposite to your kitchen space is your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, water tank is provided. Moving forward, an extra utility space is provided in this corner where either you can place your washing machine or you can decide as a mandir corner. And opposite to your utility space is your first bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing your bed. You can customize your TV unit, and again in this bedroom you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony with a very spacious balcony where railings are provided. Also, you will be getting false ceilings provided in the whole flat, as you can see in the video. You will be getting same as it is. And now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you have a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy, and to the left of the entrance is your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, geysers are provided. A 500-liter water tank is also provided. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom where you can easily place your king-size bed along with your side tables. You have plenty of walkable space. Also, you can see the wardrobe space provided is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want, and again, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony again in your master bedroom. And this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Agarwal Sky Heights. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.